Liberal social media sensation Representative Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez has made another humiliating blunder. Fox News reported that one of Rep. Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez's DNY tweets seemed to backfire on Thursday when she tried attacking Republicans over a picture of a politician stood next to a cardboard cutout of her. GOP, let's pose our older male members next to cardboard cutouts of young female legislators, she tweeted. Her tweet included a post from the Republican Party of Kentucky. However, the politician pictured was Democratic Rep. John Yarmouth, Kentucky, not a Republican as she claimed. This was the original tweet, Oc was referencing, #Throwback Thursday. Last month the socialists threatened the lone #Kentucky #Democrat in Congress if he didn't bend to their radical, extremist will. https://t.co/mts370 looks like Oc and #socialism are calling the shots for @KY Dems now. pic.twitter.com/vicexjski, Republican Party of Kentucky, @KyGop, April 25, 2019. Ocasio-Cortez later deleted the tweet but not before critics pointed out the gaffe on Twitter. Loading. Let's block ads. Why?